I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data and preparing the device. Back up everything to a cloud or a full image so you can restore if needed. Next, enable developer options, turn on USB debugging, and allow OEM unlock. These steps let your PC communicate and change low-level settings. Install ADB and Fastboot on your computer, then connect the phone and run a DB devices to confirm. Once done, reboot to bootloader and verify the unlock command is available before proceeding. You now replace the recovery and load the new system. First, get a certified ROM and matching custom recovery like TWRP, and check SHA 256 checksums to avoid corrupt files. Boot the phone into bootloader and flash the recovery image using Fastboot Flash Recovery file name. Once recovery is installed, boot into it, make a NAN Droid backup if possible, then wipe cache, Dalvik, and system partitions as instructed by the ROM. Finally, sideload or install. You finish by completing first boot setup and addressing problems. After installation, reboot. Expect the initial boot to take longer than usual, sometimes up to 15 minutes, so be patient. If the device enters a boot loop, reboot to recovery and either restore your NAN Droid backup or wipe and reinstall the ROM. Try a different compatible build if needed. Once you boot successfully, install Google Apps if required and update drivers or firmware cautiously. Make sure to re-enable security options and verify everything works before wiping backups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.